Imagine wanting to get your husband fired. It sounds crazy, right? But one of my students just did exactly that, and she couldn't be happier. And here's how she used AI to fire her husband from his own business and finally buy back their freedom. So 3 weeks ago, Stevie came across my book, and she's an old school marketer. And when she saw how we use AI combined with what I call the offer of the century, it was a total penny drop moment for her, because her husband, who runs a gym, felt trapped for years. I mean, he loves what he does, but his team was absolutely terrified of sales. And this is more common than you think. Because his team was probably made up of personal trainers and people like that didn't have sales skills, this meant he had to take all the calls, run all of the gym demos, and close every single person himself that came into the gym. And for years, he was chained to his business. There's no real freedom. There was no big holidays, no vacations, no proper downtime. He was completely unable to step away because he was tied to his business. And for Stevie, watching him burn out like that, it really wasn't an option anymore. So being the good partner that she is, right, she decided it was time to fire him in the best possible way, right? So what she did is she picked up my book and she followed the exact instructions in the book. And within weeks, she'd built and launched what we call a sales android for their gym. So now AI handles the inbound calls coming in, right? And it books the appointments. And her husband, I mean, he doesn't even have to deal with the phone anymore, and he doesn't have to move someone from a phone call to an appointment. People just show up and they're there ready for him to close into a client. He's finally been fired from doing what he hated most. So now they're planning a long overdue caravan trip around Australia. That sounds awesome. So just imagine how that feels after years and years of feeling trapped inside a business. But here's what I love about Stevie. She realized that this is just the beginning. Because if you think about it, how many other gym owners feel just as trapped as her husband did? How many would pay for voice AI to handle and book all of their inbound calls? How many gym owners don't have the time to respond to the 5-star Google reviews or the 1-star Google reviews? And this is what I always tell my students. We get our foot in the door with the simplest, most undeniable offer, which is something like, hey, do you have any old leads we can turn into sales using AI and SMS? And we do this on a performance basis, which means if you don't get paid, we don't get paid. And the reason this is the offer of the century is because every business has old leads, right? And they've totally given up on them. And some people just stop right there with that offer. I mean, Stevie did some voice AI stuff and is really kicking off with that. But if we look at someone like Aaron Rowley, who was one of my other students, he went from not even owning a laptop and he's almost at $100,000 a month just doing the offer of the century for car dealerships. That's it. Database reactivation with AI and SMS. That's simple. Or Rob Brown, he's doing multiple 6 figures per month and he's helping his clients with the customer journey after they have signed a letter of intent, right? I'm not going to tell you his niche, but he's doing very well helping with that customer journey, and he's only just getting started. We are at such a special point in history right now. AI isn't coming, it's already here. So if you're watching this, you have a front row seat to probably the biggest shift in how businesses operate in the history of business. But I don't want you to just watch it happen. Fortunes aren't made by people standing around on the sidelines, all right? It's time to take action. So here's what I want you to do. Grab the book like Rob did, like Aaron did, like Stevie did. It's pretty cheap. Just comment book below and I'll send you the link. I promise you, if you follow what's in this book, you can use what I teach to create a better way of living for you and your family. And for those of you who are listening that have already bought my book, and many of you have, and you're ready to double down and move faster and accelerate and get to where you want to go faster, then please comment double down below and we'll DM you personally and have a chat about how you can move forward faster. I'll see you on the other side.